Alright nerds and nerdettes, welcome back to another painting tutorial. This week we are painting a Death Guard Blight Crawler. After we give our model a grey primer, we paint the armor with Army Painter Army Green. Once the armor is done, we are going to use a mix of necrotic flesh and tanned flesh for the organic bits. For some of the teeth and the bony bits towards the top, we'll be using skeleton bone. For the treads, I will use Vallejo Gunmetal Grey. For the multi-melter and other smaller mechanical parts, we will use Army Painter Gunmetal. For the metallic trims and other decorations, I will use Weapon Bronze. For the lens and missiles, I will use Dragon Red. To bring out the details on the armor and to give it a grungy look, I will apply Army Painter Strong Tone that is thinned down with some Citadel Lamian Medium. To give the impression that the fleshy parts are rotting, I will give it a wash of military shader thinned with Lamian Medium. While we let the shades dry, I will give the brass bits a dry brush of Necron Compeo and for some quick highlights. We will then give the raised parts of the armor plating at the top of the model a dry brush of necrotic flesh. Going back to the shades, we will apply an undiluted wash of purple tone to the tentacles in front. To give the impression that the lens is giving a reflection, we will apply a brighter red to half of the lens, followed by a highlight of lava orange, and then a dot of matte white. I will give the missiles highlights off camera in the same manner. You could stop here for a tabletop standard, but if you're feeling spicy, you can apply some Thypus corrosion to the recesses for a grimier look and some Nihilak oxide to the brass bits for a more decayed look. Lastly, we apply Army Painter dry rust to the metal jaws and melter. All that's left to do now is base the model and apply a matte varnish to protect the paint job. Base it and apply a gloss varnish to the lens. I hope you enjoyed this painting tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to know when I upload. More tutorials to come. And remember, in the immortal words of Bob Ross,
we don't make mistakes, we have happy accidents.